Hello guys. Today in this video we bring top 3 best Lintelek smartwatches in 2020. Through extensive research and testing we did put together a list of options based on their reviews and ratings, best quality, and best selling product in all over the world. For more information on the products we have include links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. So like the video, share your ideas in comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. On the number 3 is Lintelek Smartwatch with blood pressure monitor, 1.3-inch fitness tracker, heart rate and sleep monitor, fitness watch that is compatible with Android and iPhones. You can check sleep status, heart rate data and blood pressure. The data are clearly shown on the smartwatch. 7 sports modes, stopwatch, brightness adjustment, reset settings are also available on the fitness watch. Download DA Fit to enjoy more features, connected GPS function to show your sports route in the app, calls, SMS notification to remind you with silent vibration, 3 alarms to wake you without disturbing others, remote camera control, music control, weather forecast and air index offer you more convenience. 1. 3-inch big screen allows to show text notifications. With higher resolution, colorful and adorable icons are clearly and vividly displayed on the fitness watch, even clearer under intense light with brightness adjustment. Switch setting makes it easy to operate directly on the fitness tracker. The smartwatch is compatible with Android and iOS phone models. Equipped with customized USB charger, it takes only 2 hours to get the watch fully charged, allowing 10 days using time, while 20 days standby time. Number 2 is Lintelek Smartwatch with blood pressure monitor, 1.3-inch fitness tracker with heart rate and sleep monitor, compatible with Android and iPhone. It can not only remind you via vibrating when your phone receives messages or other notifications from Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, etc. but also displays details on the screen directly, such as readable content of massage and name. When receiving incoming calls, the fitness tracker will vibrate to alert you. The caller ID will display on the screen. You can also long press the touch key to refuse the call. You can view the time and calorie in different modes to suit your lifestyle. This is the most important possibility for athletes. Multi-sports monitoring permits you to transfer past the fundamental step type. Improve the vitality of sports now. Sleep will influence all aspects of your life, such as your health and emotions. Sleep helps you to perform best, to stay productive, prevent weight gain and avoid depression. Start with improving your sleep now. Intelligent 6-level brightness adjustments. In the daytime, the screen is clearly visible even for the elders. In the night, it can protect your eyes and save the electricity, prolong the standby time. As your personalized health and fitness mate, Lintelek will remind you to take rest when you need to. Your every efforts, we keep it and record it. Set permanent residence on DA Fit app. It will show today and tomorrow's weather, as well as today's air quality, offering the suggestions about the outdoor workout and travel plans. Any wristband and charger issue, please feel free to reach us to get a new one for free. The number 1 is Lintelek Full Touchscreen Smartwatch, 1.3-inch fitness tracker with a charm monitor, sleep tracker, stopwatch, IP68 waterproof fitness watch compatible with iOS and Android. Full touchscreen brings you a better interactive experience, offering quick access to workout data. You can find great pleasure through smooth operational procedures, vivid information display and elegant interface. The fitness watch will automatically track all-day activity, offering you more choices with 9 sport modes. Breath training helps to regulate breathing and relieve fatigue. Weekly analysis gives visual look of the workout status. The smartwatch will continuously track heart rate and sleep status. Calorie counter will also help to record the workout intensity, helping you make adjustment to your lifestyle and workout. 1.3 inches screen displays more characters when receiving incoming SMS notifications. To bring you more convenience, the watch is also equipped with alarm, stopwatch countdown. You can even control the music with a tap. Up to 10 days using time and 30 days standby can keep you organized and productive all day. The watch is compatible with iOS and Android smartphones via VeryFit Pro. For more details, check the product links in the description. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.